Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thank Unacademy for organizing time out sessions which provided us with a much needed break. I completed the class on 10 cool applications of Python by Ishan sir and found it extremely informative. I got to learn a lot about real-life applications of Python after attending it. It was really fun and I enjoyed doing the assignment in which get a random generator game. I have developed an immense interest in Python and look forward to learning from Ishan sir again. Cheers!